Alright, David Harry here, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating a piece of glass. Right, I've got myself a UV filter here, a 52mm one, for my Ulanzi G8-5 vlogging case, obviously for my Hero 8 Black. So what I'm going to do, just quickly right now, I'm going to do you a very cool unboxing of a piece of glass. Okay, so with that dead exciting unboxing of a piece of glass done there, there's two things I need to explain about a UV filter in case you don't know. A UV filter primarily is designed for cutting out or reducing the amount of ultraviolet light that comes through and hits the sensor on your camera. But then the second kind of like usefulness with a UV filter, which probably is the thing that most people use them for, is to effectively protect the glass behind it. So UV filters quite often get used just as an extra layer of physical protection and not necessarily for UV filtering. But here's the thing, no matter what glass you put in front of your lens, you have to make sure that that glass doesn't affect things like color or resolution. So as long as it doesn't like alter those two things, either one of those functions, UV filtering or extra protection, is going to be a good thing to have. Now, like I say, £7. What would you expect for that as far as the quality of the glass is concerned? So what I'm going to do now is play you like 10-second clips. The first clip is without the UV filter, second clip is with it, then I do a split screen between the pair of them, and then I do a split zoomed in split screen. Now the thing to bear in mind here, the resolution you're going to be looking at is actually the best resolution you can get out of a GoPro Hero 8 Black in video mode. So what I've done here, I've shot in its like 4:3 aspect ratio, which gives you its highest resolution, which is higher than UHD 4K. And then what I do in post, I just cut the middle section of UHD out of that picture and basically filled a 16:9 screen with pixel to pixel readout of the center UHD part of the actual sensor. So this is definitely the highest resolution you can get out of a GoPro in video mode. Okay, so let's just get into this then. What I'm going to do is play the video. It's all marked up, you can see exactly what's going on, and then I'll kind of come to a summary straight after it. Okay, so after playing through those takes there with and without, split screen and then a zoomed in version, I've got to say right now, I didn't really see any difference at all. Now that is actually a brilliant thing, because if the glass itself wasn't particularly any good, we probably would have been seeing very noticeable kind of shifting in colours, maybe drop-offs in different parts of the glass, and also we would probably have noticed that the resolution may have lessened as well. And well, for the best part, I don't think any of that was there, or if it was there, it was on a very minute scale and not enough to not want to use one of these bits of filters on the front of your lens. But what we did see was that with it on, it didn't kind of like impede the light, it didn't impede the resolution, or at least to no degree that you could turn on and say, oh, it was definitely off or it was definitely on. Do you know what I mean? I think it's great. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. It's just like, I mean, for £7, it's just nuts anyway. Anyway, there'll be links in the description and stuff for this and whatnot if you're interested. And as ever, dead boringly, if you're into all this GoPro Hero 8 stuff, go to www.gopro9.com, and that's where you'll see all of my videos to do with the GoPro Hero 8, the medium mod, and Yeah, filters and stuff like that. Oh yeah, so it's not on the table, but I've actually got a variable ND that I'm going to do the same kind of test with as well, so call back for that one. Anywho, I'm off now. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.